the sound of that. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Let's go, we're shaking it up. They know we ain't gonna stop, no. Walking the walk, making it pop, taking it all the way up to the top. Let's go, we throwing it down. Yeah. Flow show, we running it now. You know we do. We losing control. Yeah, we about to blow.
I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. When we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see through walls, I could see you faking. If you could see
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
like an army truck back then. We didn't get
Happy birthday!
I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. We tried to six, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my waves wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then, we were friends. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you.
His love, strength, and grace to navigate the path ahead. May she always be guided, your love, and find joy and success in her endeavor.
Everybody sing! On this side, happy birthday. On that side, happy birthday. Sabay-sabay. Alright, palagpakan naman natin si Mami ng 18th birthday mo. Hindi pa pala niya na-experience. So, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Lay. Ayan. Ipapa-experience namin sa iyo ang napamasayang birthday party ngayon. At syempre, Ma'am Lay, nandito po ba si Mami?
Nasa phone eh.
Nasa po. Naka-online si Mami? Parang, Ma'am Lay, ano pong masasabi mo kay Mami?
Hi Ma, thank you sa gasto. And miss na kita. Sana nandito ka.
Wow, palakpakan natin si Ma'am Lay. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, please be seated. Kailangan ko ng identification card. Go, go, go! Ayan, isa. Dito, sa side na to, sa side na to. Dalawa, ayan si Mami! Ayan, okay, next. Kailangan ko ng... dito naman. Kailangan ko ng... ulit ha. Kailangan ko ng... Senior ID. Go! Senior ID. Ayan, meron pa. hindi na kami mahihirapan maghanap ng player. Kaya naman pag tinawag ko, lumapit dito. Let's start with... Nasa si Priscilla. Nasa si Priscilla. Hindi ko kinulit kasi para sa discount, ha? Baka mag-expect ka, mami, ha? Nililinaw ko lang. Okay, next! Si Fle. Duma Manyo. Ayan, nandyan si Madam Fle. And next, si Fremy. Fremy, halika, Madam. Okay, next.
Tol, selfie tayo.
Si Christine. Si Christine. Dito ka, Madam. Si Mami, magandang hapon po. Ayan. Pangalan po ay taga saan?
Pasig, 70 ko.
74, ang lakas pa ni Mami. Kaya ni Mami mag-8-8, di ba, Mami? Tama na po, tama na. Suman. Ayan, okay. Ulit po. 1, 2, 3, go. Siopaw. Siomay. Suman. Okay, practice tayo. Ready and go.
Ate.
Siman.
Siomay. Siomay.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Siomay.
Ano ito? Hindi ko alam, Mami.
Siomay.
Suman. Okay, ito game na to, ha. Galingan ninyo dahil ang mananalo sa game na ito ay magkakaroon ng 1,000 pesos mula kay Mami, syempre. Okay, ready? Ano talaga to, ha? Game natin pabilisan po. Ready and go! Shoes! Anong shoes? Shoes ko po ka na doon. Walang shoes. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo. Ready? Mamaya na kayo. Favorite ko kayo. Ready and go!
Siomay.
Siopaw. Ulit. May galingan mo, Bing. Sayang yung Sabrina bakuna outfit mo. Ready and go! Okay, magaling sila. Ready and go?
Suman.
Saan po? Saan doon? Nagtuturo nanay. Huwag ka maturo, baka manuno ka. Ready and go?
Suman.
Saan nga po? Siopaw? Ayan. Okay, ready and go? Siomay? Kami siopaw po. Gusto po. Ready and go? Saan po, Mami? Ulit. 1, 2, 3.
Suman. Siomay. Suman.
Upo ka na, Mami. Pinatatayin ko na ako, Mami. Palakpakan natin si Mami. Okay, let's ready and go. Nagbuka na girl. Ayan, mag-higpit tayo kasi 1,000 ito. Ayan, hello po sa mga bagong dating. Hello po, magandang hapon. Okay, ready and go.
Siomay. Suman.
Okay lang yun, lola siya ni Lay. Okay, ready and go. Exempted yun kasi si Mami magaan ang loob po kay Mami. Mami, mataas ng pension mo. Okay, ready and go.
Suman. Siopaw.
Upo ka muna, mother. Upo ka muna. Compress po, compress. Ayan. Backward po lang konti. Ready and go. Ha? Minsan na natutukan ng mic out agad. Sige na, upo ka na. Ready and go. Exempted kasi lola ni Leo. Ready and go.
Showman. Suman. Siopaw. Suman. Showman. Suman.
Oo, magaling sila, magaling. Magaling. Ready and go!
Siopaw. Suman.
Palakpakan naman natin si Mother. Ayan, apat na lang po. Ready and go!
Showman. Suman. Siopaw.
Siopaw. Okay lang nanay, eh, Lola. Ready and exempted si Lola. Ready? This time gusto ko yung medyo mabilis na ha? At medyo malakas ang boses, okay? For 1,000 pesos. Ready and go!
Siopaw. Showman. Suman. Siopaw. Suman.
Okay, next. Ready and
Siopaw. Showman. Suman. Siopaw. Showman. Suman.
Exempted.
exempted. Ano to? Si Mami talagang judge.
Si Mami ang judge.
Ready?
Si Mami.
Ready and go!
Siopaw. Showman. Suman. Siopaw. Showman.
Suman.
Siopaw.
Suman. Siopaw.
Yan.
Siomay. Suman. Siopaw.
Showman.
Nabilis. Palakpakan naman natin silang tatlo. Last round. Ready and
Siopaw. Showman. Suman.
Siopaw.
Showman. Suman.
Suman.
Showman.
Siumaw.
Mami, naka-video yung show mo. O paano yan? Palakpakan natin silang tatlo. Daddy, pwede ko po ba mahingi ang message ninyo para kay Miss Lee?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Bright ba ba? Bright ba? May energy pa? May energy pa? Siyempre, I would like to thanks to all people in here in this room. The coming birthday of my daughter. 18th birthday. So, siyempre, mayroon tayong wish dito eh. I wish you focus on your study and of course, pwede ka naman boyfriend. Wala nga nang gift sa akin. Kaya sabihin mo sa boyfriend mo, tatapatan yung gift ko ah. So, and good luck to your new journey. Siyempre, 18 ka na to make your decisions yourself. Siyempre, dito kami to guide you and advise. If you have need to consult to me and to your mommy. And of course, thank you very much to all coming here. Thank you po sa inyo. Salamat po.
Wait lang, wait.
Creative Bluebill. Bawi ah, bawi ah.
Ayan, ang message ko kay Chin, actually si Chin, last kami nagkita, maliit pa talaga siya ng birthday niya. And then so, naanak ko siya. And then, happy 18th birthday. And ayun nga, wish ko sa'yo. Like din yung wish sa'yo ni Dad. So ayun, mag-aaral ka mabuti, number 1. And then, sumunod ka lagi sa advice nila. Siguro gagawin mo yung magiging boyfriend mo. Tatapatan si Nino. Ayun, so ayun, wish you all the best and luck to your new journey and endeavors. So ayun, mabait ka.
Si Nate, mga 10, more than 10 years na rin tayo pinagkita. Nate, baka hindi mo na ako natatandaan. Aking dad. Ay, okay, hi, kumusta? It's very nice to see Nate. Seems that you're turning to be a nice, very young lady. Nice to see you, inanak. Sana magkita ulit tayo sa sunod. Good luck sa inyong adulthood na. Sana maging maganda ang future mo, mag-aaral mabuti. At saka, puminsan ka nila, pumili ka doon ng boyfriend. Okay. Oh, sige, thank you.
So, like nung iba pa kanina atin, nagtatagal ko yung nakita si Mary Lynn. So, inaanak ko din siya. So, Chin-Chin actually, ano ba nila, Chin-Chin ang ipinwan. So, yung wish ko namin sa'yo is good luck to your adulthood and then, hindi madali yung path covered sa adulthood. So, maraming puso ko. Basta mag-aaral ka ng mabuti na magiging tool mo para ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga dreams mo sa buhay mo. Okay? So, slay. Slay lang tayo. Thank you. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. And now we will proceed to Brian Jimenez.
Happy birthday, Dave. Message ko lang sa'yo. Marinig mo sila, di ba? Sige mo yun.
Ayan, when we are serving you lahat sa meal, sa lahat po na 18 treasures, ayan, please be ready na po, prepare na po.
Video contributor.
Happy birthday,
Sino pa?
Chin. Wish ko lang na sa college life mo, wala yan sa, ay may kanya-kanyang phase yan. Hindi mo kailangan magpadali as long as natututo ka talaga. So yun lang, enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayun, 18 ka na. Naway, matupad mo yung pangarap mo. And alam ko, hindi madali mo, pero alam ko kakayanin mo. Mag-aral kang mabuti at lagi kang makikinig ka ng mga papa. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chin! Ang aming maliit na Chin-Chin, Tita Ebes, ngayon ay si little, a big girl na I hope na lagi kang enjoy sa iyong life and maging ang pag-aaral mo lagi mong pag-iisip matapos ka sana.
Happy birthday. Of course, I wish you all the best. And take your time. Enjoy every moment of it. And basta savor the time, savor the memory. And lagi ka mag-pray. Saka lagi kang guidance. Yun lang naman. All the best. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Chin. I wish you the best 18th birthday ever. Tapos,
Wow, naka-vlog.
Speechless ah. Sige, iba lang. Sige, mapapanggal na si tayo.
come to lahat ng mga wishes mo.
Pag-extend mo yung part-time.
Matuloy na yung amo ng overlooking natin. Tapos yung makikita river bang cabin.
Ay, ang dami na.
Or no.
Dali lang. Video muna.
Hi, Sisi. 18 ka na. So, makukulong ka na kagaya ko. So, ayun, more gala to come to us, sabi ni Jana. Happy birthday, Day. Hindi na ito parang alabain ka. Enjoy your day lang and more gastos and concerts. Love you. So,
Happy birthday, baby ko! Uy, laki ko mo! Laki, baby! Kasama ko lang tayo.
Anong pangalan ni Pao? Wala naman yung Pao eh.
Tingala din natin.
Sige, balik mo na lang yun.
Bro mo!
Hindi makapal.
Pang dati, pang-index ka ng 8. Giliw? Pero, nung lang ka na kaya sa 18 ka na, di ba? Happy birthday! Wish ko talaga is full of blessings ang legality mo. Walang sakit. Naging easy for you sana mabakit sa iyo. Kaya, being with you from start to finish, nakita ko ang room together with me, with us. I wish to see you and be with you para sa upcoming years. At syempre, sobrang biyaan ka sana ng abundant blue beans. Yun po. Happy birthday! Love you!
ikaw pala yung inaanak ko. Ay, hindi, mama mo. Pinasal ka na tuloy. Kaya ang mama mo ay inaanak namin sa kasal. Kaya ngayon, tinangkaran mo pa ang mami mo, di ba? So, may level up na. Okay. So, ang advice ko sa iyo as tita. Okay? Sabi is isang verse sa Bible, honor your mother and father. So, this is the promise of the Lord na merong kasamang pangako. Ano yung pangako ni Lord? Kapag you honor your mother and father, the Lord will give you a long life And your life will be successful. Kaya keep in mind na ang promise ni Lord ay it will come to pass. Kaya good luck. And unahin mo ang Panginoon sa buhay mo. And inuna mo siya, He will give you the rest. Kaya happy birthday!
Since grade 1, I've always seen you as someone with a strong personality, and growing up together brought me so much joy, and thank you for the countless memories. Thank you for being my one call away, and thank you for being there when I need you. Always safe there, and I'm always here for you.
Wala akong masabi kasi
Nahihiya kasi ako. Okay na.
parang 18 ka na.
Pero parang ano eh. Kailan ka ba ba 18? So, yun. Happy birthday, my YOLO girlie. Lahat ng faces ko, nakita niya guys. Pero dito pa rin siya. Stay strong. So, thank you for being with me always and more chikahan sessions to come with us. So, happy birthday. I love you, Ben.
Di ko sure kami sabihin ko sa'yo, pero I want you to know that in this new chapter of your life, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is to find all of the love, the care, and the new stories. And I hope that you find yourself in a room full of people that care for you and that make you feel worthy and make you feel respected, because that's what you deserve. I'm so happy to see you here today. And yeah, I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Since Hitler. And it still amazes me how time flew by so fast. You've always been that friend who's so reliable, super kind, and always there whenever someone needs you. Walang araw na hindi ako natatawa sa'yo. And I mean that in the best way. You're makulit in such a positive, contagious way. Parang kahit bad day ako, you always find a way to make it lighter. Always know that I'll be here, cheering you on, and wishing you nothing but happiness in this new chapter of your life. Happy to do my autocare!
Happy birthday to one of my day ones. Wow. Since grade 1 pa, magaling tropa pa din. We witnessed each other grow. So ayun, I wish you all the happiness in this world and the love that you deserve. I'm proud of the person you've become kasi nalalampasan mo yung mga problema mo and you always come back stronger. Kaya I'm proud. Siyempre, I'm always here for you no matter what. Alam mo yan? Kahit talikuran ka man ng lahat, nandito pa din ako, makikinig at iintindi sa'yo. So, I'm happy 18th birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday. Wala rin ako masasabi. More giving to come, tapos, ano ba yan? No more fake ID na. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Smile.
Short na lang daw. Palagi na lang tandaan mo na nandito kami palagi para sa'yo. Palagi akong good. Magsasaan ka kahit na nagkita palagi. Birthday.
Dito,
May body ko in our group, and thank you kasi naging friend kita. Kasi ang dami nangyari. You know. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Nakabibyo naman yan.
Message ka.
Harap mo dito sa camera. Harap mo dito para makita siya. Yan.
Ika.
Hi everyone!
Lapit natin sa
Hi, Mami. I love you, Jim. My first
Nag-iyakan pa kayo, may extend dito.
Jean, enjoy your birthday. Mommy's here. Alam mo yan. No matter what, you're my first baby. I love you so much. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti, okay? Always take good care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Enjoy with your friends, with relatives. I love you so much. I love you. Salamat. Thank you sa lahat ng umaten. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you enough.
Dito pa naman regalo.
Jolly ka na dito, nagkakabigaran ng iPhone. Ayan. Jollibee, meet our birthday girl na si Lay. Picture kay Jollibee, pagyan mo siya. Ayan.
Thank you.
Palakpakan naman dyan para kay Jollibee. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Jollibee. Ayan, Jollibee, maraming birthday song. Kaya naman, once again, once you hear the music, let us all sing a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This time you must malakas and more energy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Lily ang candle niya. Mami, dito ka muna, Mami. Mami, ano pong birthday wish niyo po para kay Lay?
Mag-aral muna mabuti pala. Lumagay sa tahimik.
So talaga, Mami, napakapalabiro mo. Maraming salamat, Mami. Ayan, dito naman tayo kay Lay. Lay, ano ang birthday wish mo ngayong 18 ka na? Secret. Hindi matutupad daw. Sige, ano na lang ang thank you message mo para sa mga libo-libo mong friends na nandito ngayon?
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta and sa lahat ng hindi pumunta. Iwalay po and love ko kayong lahat and sobrang grateful po ako kasi na-celebrate ko yung 18th birthday ko. Kasama po kayo lahat. And gusto ko lang po sabihin na happy birthday din sa aking twin, si Kuya Dylan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayun po. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Thank you din po sa Jollibee.
Ayan, thank you so much. Bago i-blow nila yung candle niya, tradition po dito sa Jollibee na sabay-sabay ng bibilang. Sabay-sabay bibilang ng 1, 2, and 3. Kaya naman sabay-sabay natin isigaw! Wow! Ulit, nauna ka, Mami. Ulit.
Sabay.
Sorry. Okay, ready and... 1, 2, 3, and blow! Wow! Okay, picture taking together with Lay.
Birthday and of course baby ka pa nung pinanganak ka October 13 2007 syempre I'm just be happy and of course yan 18 ka na, be good girl and always focus on your study. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chin. Nung bata pa siya, takot siya actually kay Jollibee at saka sa mga mascot. So, trauma sa kanya yun. Kaya ngayon, dito siya nag-birthday kasi face your fears. Kaya dito siya sa Jollibee nag-birthday. And happy birthday, we love you, Chin.